Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change paper size Google Docs on computer. So how to change paper size Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this file menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the page setup menu. Well, here, a menu like this appears. Here there are lots of menu options. Here there are two options for the orientation of the Google Docs page. And tap on the paper size section. Well, here there will appear lots of paper size options on Google Docs that you can use. Choose one of the paper sizes. For example, I choose A4 size. And then tap OK. Well, here I have finished changing the paper size. So that's it, tutorial how to change paper size Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.